You did good too. Oh my gosh. That was perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Thank you for tuning in to Last Breath TV's Throwback Thursday. This is where we show off all of our favorite whitetail, turkey, hand fishing, antelope, mule deer, and bear hunting episodes from the past. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so that way you never miss an episode.
So you shot one? Yeah? Did you hit him good? Oh, I'm so proud of you, baby. Yes. Yeah, I know. We'll sit tight. We'll come get you at dark. Just keep your eyes and ears open. Yeah, I know. I'm excited. I know. I love you too. Yeah. Alright, we'll see you in a little while. Alright, bye. Logan just shot a doe, or a buck. Logan just shot her first bow buck. And of course, it's when she's not with anybody that's filming. We put her in a stand where we knew there was deer traffic, and we've been trying to film her and shoot a buck for a long time, and it's the struggle, to say the least. We've had plenty of good encounters, just that couldn't happen. I don't know if I was making her nervous or the camera was making her nervous, but she got one. She said she hit it good. It's how it happens. So, well, we're gonna hunt now, and hopefully she'll send some luck our way. We'll get to track 2 deer tonight. Yeah. That's how it happens. All right, well, we're gonna go in to meet Logan and track her deer. Let's go. She does a good hit. Okay, is there any blood? I found right here. So wait. Talk me through. And give me a hug.
He was way over there, but...
Oh, he was?
Yeah.
He was on that side?
Yeah, he's on this side of the creek, and he was...
That way, which is north.
This way, yeah.
So he's north of you?
Like 20 yards this way.
So he wasn't on, he was on this side, that side of the creek?
This side, yeah, so like on the same side.
Got him, and then what did he do? He run over here and ran this way?
Yeah. The arrow fell out, and that's about where I...
Where'd the arrow fall out?
Right where it's at.
Okay. Was the hit good?
It looked, yeah, it was right in the center.
Center of the deer?
Yeah. And he was quartering away, so...
Was it in the back of the ribs or not?
Probably, I would say in the ribs.
In the ribs?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. You got fur all the way to here. That's a good
I
sign,
think
babe.
it's spraying too, because I didn't mess with it.
Yeah.
Looks like you made a good hit, Logan.
All the way up. Now we're back on screen. Oh yeah. Where'd he go? I don't know, I'm kind of nervous he was going uphill. Usually her deer don't go uphill, babe. You think we should back out? Holy crap.
Oh my god, did you see it the whole time?
Yeah!
Sorry.
Nice job, baby!
How do we take that?
Hey, that's a perfect shot. That's right on the exit side of his shoulder.
I had only been sitting for, I don't know, probably an hour maybe, and I could hear some steps behind me, and I look up, and this is the first one that came out. A buck was also following him. He went to the creek by me about 20 yards away and quartered away, and gave me my opportunity. So I took it, and here we are.
The rut is still in full swing. It ended up being a very hot weekend for us, and Logan was able to keep the ball rolling.
Shotgun season started out with a bang, pun intended. Garrett shot a awesome buck, and then Same night, my sister, Michaela, shot an awesome buck as well. So I'm next to bat. Wondering if the luck is running out.
Well, it's second day of shotgun season in Illinois. Let's see if we can lay a big one down today with this new snow out.
You did good too. Oh my gosh. That was perfect.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Logan just texted me and said she shot a 10-pointer, so I'm going to call her right now and see. We sent Michaela, her sister, who shot a stud deer last night, is filming Logan, so and hopefully the killer sister duo got it done. I want to call her right now. Come on, pick up.
Hello?
Baby, so did you hit him good? Did you hit him good?
Yeah. He was bleeding bad when he just kind of like sauntered away and kicked hard when he
Good. Did you get on film? You guys rock.
This is an awesome
Go. Yeah, this is a weekend for the record book. Way to go, you freaking rock, sweetheart. Talk about a rock star season.
Alright, it is second evening of shotgun season here in Illinois. Tonight we were sitting and it was kind of a slow night. We hardly even saw any wildlife till first we saw a doe just go across to the south of us, and then we saw a little 8-pointer coming up, and he took off trotting, acting like there was something behind him. Sure enough, there was a nice 10-point buck behind him, about a 50-yard shot. We laid it to him and he was bleeding good, slowing down, and I think we almost heard him fall. So I have my little sister here, and she was there with my first deer this season for bow season, and now we're wrapping up the season with a buck, and I'm so fortunate to be able to share some of these experiences with my family, and it makes for a really awesome experience. And the beautiful snow out here, we had some, it's just gorgeous. I mean, I couldn't ask to spend a better way with my night, so.
Congratulations.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. This is my biggest buck I have ever shot. This has been a dynamite season. Starting, I joke because it's kind of like a hierarchy this season for me. I started with a young doe, then an old doe, and then a small buck during bow season, and then a nice big buck to finish it off. I seriously do not know how I'm going to top this season. It's been wonderful, spent with wonderful people, and I just cannot wait to see what is to come for me for hunting.
If you like listening to hunting stories as much as watching them, then check out our podcast. The Last Breath Huntcast is available on iTunes, Spotify, and all other major podcast platforms.